Kat from Creative Crafts, and today's DIY is how to turn a normal box that you get like from Amazon into a nice little box that you can stick things into in your bathroom or in your bedroom, anywhere. I started making the video and I realized I didn't press play, stupid me. So what I did is I took a normal box and I stuck this border all around it. And then in the inside I cut up a old table runner, and I first glued this big part and then I cut it and then I glued this side. So now what I'm going to do is make this bigger. I was thinking about taking some of this rope and stick it across. So I'm going to do that all around the whole thing. Use this end because that end is curled. What kind of rope I'm using here? This is a coconut rope. It's made from the pieces of the coconut, pieces that we don't eat. And this is going to be a little bit rough to do because coconut rope is very very tough. So you would have to like hold it for a few so you know that it's glued. And then you do the other side. Like I said, hold it for a little bit. So now I'm going to do the last piece. And you want to cut it exactly. And there you go. You have your little box. You could put makeup in it. You could put toilet paper in it. I made this to go with my bathroom. So I will show you in a minute. I'm going to stick it in there and stick some things inside it, and then we'll see exactly how it looks. I think it came out great. So don't forget to give the thumbs up. This is just a very quick DIY how to use a box. It's also one of these, you know, these 5-minute crafts that they show on these little videos? Well, actually, this is from one of those crafts, and it actually did take me less than 5 minutes to make this. So, here you go. A quick 5-minute, or less than 5 minutes, craft box, or utensil box, what you want to use it for. If you wanted to make it waterproof, you can always put foley on the bottom and on the whole thing. This is plastic that's on it, so it's pretty stable. Inside is pretty stable. You can also put plastic inside if you want, but this is just for decoration. So I hope you like it, and if you haven't subscribed, please do on the button below. And if you have any questions or comments or any ideas you would like me to do, please post them on the comments below, right down below, or if you have a link you want me to follow, please put it below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!